Hi guys. Well, it may appear to everyone that Dave and I have been a little bit AWOL. We have just had a lot of things going on, and which we will share with you very, very soon. Now, for now, we are at Homemade Pasta and Smoothie. Let's just take a few steps back and get a good look. Oh, look, there's Dave. So, Homemade Pasta and Smoothie, which consequently is just across from our accommodation, just back there. All right.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, and I'll just pinch that to show what we have ordered. Say hello, Dave.
Hello, Dave.
All right, so what we've ordered is, let me get past all the breakfasty stuff. Now, we've ordered the jelly and mushroom vermicelli and pork spring rolls.
I didn't know there was mushroom on them.
And salt pasta. Dave has ordered the pasta with arrabbiata sauce. He has chosen the tagliatelle, and I have chosen the pasta with tomato sauce and minced pork, also with tagliatelle. I've added ham. Oh, he's had bacon because he's naughty. And that's it. So we'll show you the food when it comes out.
And a couple of nice juices.
Also a couple of other nice juices. Yeah. So we've got
Smoothies, sorry.
yes, smoothies. I've got a cantaloupe one, and Dave has mango and passion fruit.
Recommended, so I
It is recommended. Alright. Let's just put you over here. Lovely, that one's yours. Just going to put this back. Yummy, yummy. So, as we were saying, we have some big news, but we can't share it yet. So you're just going to have to stick by us and just be a little bit patient. Be nitnoi patient.
I'm going to be quiet.
And nitnoi in Thai is a little bit. Dave's been learning Thai. Dave, tell them what you've learned.
Nothing at all. Jot today.
Which is?
Stop here, please.
He's also learned.
Leo say.
Which is?
Left. Turn left.
Turn left.
Leo
Yes.
qua. Turn
Which
right.
is your mini Thai lesson with Judy and Dave in Thailand. We're learning new things and new words every day.
Trying to remember every day.
We are. So this is our 9th week here, and we're loving it. We're loving it. The thing is, you make these decisions, and sometimes they pan out, sometimes they don't. Well, it's panned out. It's panned out. We're pretty happy. I'm so busting at the seams to tell you guys what we've done, or what's happening.
Yes. It was interesting to know. It was just like, we're going to be there, we're coming now. Oh, I'm not allowed to talk, that's right.
Okay, Dave's going to be quiet, but Dave has news also. What are you going to do, Dave?
I'm going to get my Thai motorbike licence. I'm actually going to go out to the Honda Safety Riding School and do a 3-day course. I could probably just hop on a scooter now, but I want to actually go out, do the course, then off we go to get the
Smart way to do it, huh?
Hopefully. Soon.
That will be at the end of the month. And within the next couple of weeks, we'll be sharing with you our big news. It might be sooner than you think. We've got news.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we have. And sorry we've been building up, but we'd like to share some of it with you. Right now we just can't. So please be patient.
Little steps, just getting there.
Baby steps, baby steps. All right, now we will show you our dinner when it comes out. Okay, so our delicious meals have just rocked up. This is mine.
They look pretty similar.
Mine is the tagliatelle with tomato sauce and pork mince, but I'm sure that tomato sauce is really like a passata rather than a sauce with ham. Dave's is...
I can't remember.
Dave's is the arrabbiata.
Yes, very good.
With a tagliatelle, and he has added bacon. So let's see how delicious these are. And my apparently cantaloupe is actually honeydew, but I don't mind.
It changed colour. Cantaloupe said no.
Cantaloupe said no. Right. Oh, I'd love some cheese on the top.
I've got a little bit of parmesan. You can ask. I might bring some out. Huh?
Actually, yeah. Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I have a little bit of parmesan? Parmesan cheese?
Parmesan cheese.
Yes, please.
And spring roll come.
Thank you.
She's giving it.
Yes, I'm a little bit envious of Dave's lovely parmesan, and I want some parmesan cheese for myself.
We used to go for beach parmesan cheese.
Oh no. I know, we used to get the big block of the Reggiano Padano. Oh God, Kelly Horn, if you're watching, you know what I'm talking about.
It's cooked perfectly.
I meant to say the Grano Padano. Grano Padano Parmesan cheese. Oh, fantastic.
Beautiful. Thank you.
You are wonderful.
Oh, there's just enough for you.
Just enough. See how good I am? I'm a really good wife. I share.
Thank you.
Just got to chew it out from under my nail.
Well, you did say it's homemade pasta.
It is. It's homemade pasta. So this is the place that you probably would go if you wanted some homemade pasta. So check this baby out.
Sort of hidden away a little bit. It's not too hard to find. I can't remember if there was a sign at the front.
We've seen it numerous times.
On the pork straight past.
But we've always been coming back from having had dinner, having been out, and while we're out and about, we normally have our dinner.
True.
So
We'd wander along, see a restaurant, just jump in, have a look.
yeah. And we promise that we will be doing more of these restaurant visits for our channel very soon.
I was going to say about the one we went the other day, but I think I better not.
No, I have some editing to do, and there may be a video up tonight. I'm hoping that I can actually get that done for you guys.
This is really nice, eh?
It's quite delicious. I really felt like a pasta dish that I could actually really like.
Very well handmade. Not out of the packet.
It's really nicely done. It's got a lot of body. It really tastes like Italian food. Yummy.
Yeah, we've had some places where they say it's Italian and they've got this spaghetti and it sort of like, feels like it's just a can.
And it's funny
Just,
because when the description says tomato sauce, it generally is just tomato sauce. And I'm thinking, oh no, it's got to be passata, it's got to be. Here's a gentleman that lives in our building. Hello.
How are you going? And the price isn't too bad either.
Really Really good. Considering it is Western food.
He wants 2 salads and a
Now,
quarter
we'll put you to bed for now. So, what have we got, Dave?
Spring rolls, but they're not spring rolls.
They are. Look at that.
What was it? It was mushroom. It's a top of mushroom.
Jelly mushroom,
Jelly mushroom.
and vermicelli pork.
Look, you take mine, I'll take mine.
Go first.
Hot, hot.
What is?
Good.
It's different to what you normally get.
Ooh, I like different.
No, you normally when you get spring rolls, it's vegetables. Yeah.
Well, that definitely said vermicelli pork and jelly mushrooms, and I think that's exactly what I can see. So, full disclosure, it's all there.
And Judy doesn't do mushrooms.
I'm getting used to it.
It's a different mushroom taste. Totally different. Nice, man.
Yummy, yummy. Not sure how much you can see there. Oh, there we go. Beautiful.
Yeah, you can
Very
see
nice.
chunky bits of mushroom, sliced up.
Show?
Very nice. Very crispy. And a nice chili.
See you later.
Mm.